can't wait to show this to my mom.
I had the best time of my life! Oh my god!
Did you like that, Joe?
Yeah, it was fun.
In other words, police have not yet found the Night Stalker, a recently escaped convict by the name Owen. But an ongoing investigation is currently underway.
He's late.
I don't know about you,
Again.
but I can't wait to start my car.
It's only my second week.
So, how'd you think of my performance?
I thought it was great. You're like our family's little Shakespeare.
But all the other kids laughed at me though.
Hey, don't listen to them. You truly are amazing. Really. Run. Run! You're late.
Again!
I'm sorry, I forgot the time.
Oh, of course you forgot the time. You know if I weren't so nice, you'd be fired on the spot.
Wait, but you can't.
Well, you start taking charge around here. I'll lift you off the hook this time, but one more screw up and you're out.
All right, I get it. Just,
We'll see.
see you later. Who was that? What the? Who are you? Identify yourself.
I'm Morgan Haley. Listen, we were running and we were being chased and my sister ran back there. I need to get in there to see.
And who might you be running with?
My sister! Listen, I need to get in there. I think she might be there. Please, let me in.
I think I might have seen her on the monitors. Down there?
So when was the last time you saw your sister?
Whenever she ran over to this building, but it's not like her. She would never do this.
It's really odd that she's walked off.
Hello? Little girl? Are you there? Hello? Anybody there?
Joe? Joe? Oh my gosh, I thought I lost you, Joe.
Yeah, me too.
Did you find her?
Yeah, I found her.
That's good.
Yeah. Ah! Behind you!
Stay back! Get inside right now! Call the police! Call the police right now!
You're gonna be okay?
That doesn't matter, just call the police!
Yes, hello, 911. The Night Stalker's in my building. The atmosphere